Big Brother 25 pressure cooker is an innovative kitchen appliance that helps cooks to prepare delicious meals quickly and efficiently. Its ability to blend and maintain the flavors of the food in a short amount of time makes it one of the top kitchen appliances for home and professional chefs. Its unique design helps it to keep the steam inside and use an extreme pressure cooking technique to speed up the cooking process without losing the flavor. Different digital adjustable pressure settings allow you to cook different types of recipes in the same go, with the same level of control. This appliance also helps to preserve the vitamins and minerals of food, which makes it a healthy cooking option. Its airtight lid seals in the steam and creates an intense flavor, while its unique shape rapidly circulates the air and allows the food to cook evenly in even less time. Its newly installed temperature detection systems ensure a perfectly cooked dish every time. The automated delayed start option makes sure that the food is cooked at the right time and the user doesn't need to keep an eye on it. The unique probe that comes with Big Brother 25 pressure cooker senses the internal temperature of the food but it automatically shuts off when the desired temperature is reached. It's also easy to clean and its included non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. Big Brother 25 pressure cooker can cook a variety of food items including meat, fish, poultry, seafood, grains. It can handle large-size batches of food items efficiently and helps to save time and energy. It is also compatible with stovetop or mobile bases and can be used in manual mode or program mode for automatic cooking. The pressure cooker is made out of high-grade stainless steel and it also offers safety features like auto shut-off and overheat protection as well. Its digital display panel shows the user the progress of the cooking cycle and provides an accurate temperature reading. It also has a timer feature which allows you to set a particular duration for the cooking cycle. Its larger capacity lets you cook larger items like whole chickens, ribs or a whole roast in one go. It is also easy to store because the cooking pot is dishwasher safe. The control panel lets you choose between low and high pressure settings so you can cook accordingly. The versatile appliance also comes with recipe cards to give you ideas of things to cook. Big Brother 25 pressure cooker is easy to operate and requires minimal supervision. This kitchen appliance is designed to last long and comes with a warranty to provide peace of mind. Its ability to cook food evenly, quickly and with maximum flavor makes it a unique and valuable kitchen appliance. It is also energy efficient and helps to save costs in the long run. For convenience, it is designed with removable cords so that it can be moved around easily.